Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any videos into a 4K video only by using CapCut mobile. So here, just add your video into CapCut and first go to the video effects. Click on the lens category and then select the Smart Sharpen effect. Click on adjust. Here, set the filter and the blur to 0. Click on a check icon, adjust the length to match the video, and after that go to adjust. Click on adjust. Here you can follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to around 7, and the saturation 40, the brilliance around 30. Then adjust the sharpness into 100. Okay, click on the check icon, and this is the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.